sometimes we see people light a candle in front of Mother Mary. They light a oil lamp in front of Goddess Durga, Lakshmi, whoever it is. At the same time, they don't bother to insult a woman nearby them. So there are so many challenges, and this is a big challenge. Therefore, in this year 2021, the theme of International Women's Day is choose to challenge, and that is also the topic of our discussion today. So before going ahead, I would like to introduce myself. I am Nandini Das, academician, author. Normally we know that while talking about these challenges, there are 5 basic challenges people always talk about. They are: number 1, cultural belief or preferring a boy than a girl child. Number 2, wage inequality. Most of the time men are paid more than women for the same job. Number 3, workplace impartiality. If there is a position available, the preference always goes to a man than a woman. That is the mindset. Number 4, wrong mindset of feminism. People always talk about feminism means it's about women. We are the women. This is women's rights. That's not. There are some cases where women always pose animosity against another women. So that can be seen in judging, in bullying, backbiting, etc. Then number 5, women are considered as a weak creature. Therefore, most of the time they face domestic violence, unsafe outside, like that. Yet, there are some other topics mostly people don't like to discuss, but today we are going to discuss about those topics. And those topics are, if we don't discuss all those topics, then how can we choose to change? Therefore, the number 1 topic is women are more jealous of another woman than a man. It can be seen as a mother-in-law or daughter-in-law or your colleague or anyhow. Then the second is women find it a shortcut way to get success. How? By posing themselves as an object, or like that, to go some back door, like that. Then number 3, women maintain multiple standards. Sometimes they show themselves as very decent, homely girl, at the same time they do something else. So this is a double standard. Number 4, women are blocking other women's potential. How? By some women say that, okay, what's wrong with that if a man beats us? We are whoever it is, the wife or whoever it is. Or sometimes they don't mind to use their young skin or being seductive to get something done or climb the success ladder. So in this case, what happens? They are blocking other women's potential to go ahead, or those who are really deserving, they can get what they should do. They should do what they should get. Then number 5, families plays an important role to inculcate the mentality of equality, or mentality of, it is not like men or women, both are same. It should be given both boys and girls from the family itself. So these are 5 topics mostly we don't discuss, but we need to discuss. Since the year 2021 is the theme of International Women's Day on this 8th March is choose to change, I urge all men and women, they are the equal shareholders of our society. First, to challenge your inner self. Challenge yourself inside, not outside. Then there are some jumbo monster and witch inside you. So you have to finish them first, eradicate first, demolish them, nurture the diligent and empathetic side of you. Grow those, nurture those empathetic and diligent side, and then enjoy the paradise of equality. Gender neutrality, if you see the gender neutral toys, they are also, in a small way, they have big impact in the minds of children. So we have to observe all those things, we have to apply all those things in our own life. So I hope you will consider this thing, right, and you write your own opinion. You can add more in the opinion box here. Like, share and subscribe my channel, and do all the best to have a equal, just society. It is not about only men and women, it is about all human beings, all mankind. So have a nice time. See you next week. Till then, bye bye and do your bit.